Raindrop. Why did they stop for the raindrop, delicately holding to the tree? What was it that they weren't doing? Shouldn't they be busy? Where did the smile come from as the picture was being made? What did the raindrop have to make for their brighter day? The raindrop holds a world perilously on the edge of life. It will fall at any moment, but that moment isn't precise. It is delicate yet strong as potential holds tight. It is a beacon to the soul and a reflection of the light. Why did they stop for the raindrop, delicately holding to the tree? Because the raindrop is a reminder of how things should be. Appreciation for the small things that we often don't see. They stopped as a reminder to live every tiny moment exceptionally.